Hey there guys, got another lock here, a stainless steel disc lock, hardened shackle, made in China, just a generic brand. It's pretty well done, it looks like. Got drainage holes and whatnot. So let's see how hard it is. I'm going to be using a Peterson tension wrench and a Peterson gem. So let's take a crack at this guy. Let's go to the back. Let me first just make sure everything's loosened up. Go in here to the back. Pin 5. Got a click. Pin 4. Back to pin 1 up here. Got a big false set. Must have some kind of spools or something. Feels like pin 3 we're getting counter rotation. And ta-da! Open. Well, not a very good lock. Had some honest use, but pretty easy, pretty weak. Well, that's it for now, so y'all